Oh, that's a good thing.
Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are
on the off-ramp.
Over the past 4 weeks, we have been slowly packing up and getting stuff ready that's going to come into the RV. We've got it set aside. Everything from clothing to extra battery packs, bicycle stuff, swimming stuff, dry goods. Not the chairs, that's just a holding container for us right now. So the van is going to be picked up tomorrow from the repair shop. We've had a number of repairs done to it and of course the servicing, so we're ready to go. And we'll bring it to a warm heated shop and load everything into our car and then bring that there as well too, and then we'll unload and pack up and load up the van in a nice warm heated shop. We're looking forward to getting ready to go, and the weather looks to be quite accommodating. It's supposed to be nice and mild, and we should have a good ride out, although there's going to be some strong south winds. We'll be driving into a headwind, but that's okay. If it's warm, that's all we're worried about, and safe driving on non-icy roads. Okay, so all of this is going to have to make it into the RV, so that is the next project.
Okay, Wade, does this get better than this? Here we are. Our edge is totally packed full of all the things we want to take along on our trip. And here we are in a wonderful heated shed to load up our van. What do you think?
I think this is going to be nice.
Yeah, let's see how long this will take us.
Yeah.
I think it's going to take us longer than we expect.
I think it'll go faster than we expect.
Okay, I hope so. All right, let's go. Well, we stopped here to get clean windows so our drive we could see nicely, but Wade is frustrated. The squeegee here at this gas station was not doing what it needed to do. We do have one somewhere in the van here, but right now it's minus 15 and we are heading south. And we are gonna clean it when it's a little warmer, I guess.
Well, for all the fear and worry that people have crossing the border, I must say we have always experienced wonderful and friendly staff on the US side and on the Canadian side as we cross. We are now well into our trip and into North Dakota. We left Manitoba this morning at minus 15, minus 16 temperatures. 10 hours later, we are nearing the South Dakota and Iowa border, and we are at plus 5.5, almost plus 6, I guess. That's what 10 hours will get you of driving. And we're hoping to reach We're hoping to reach Omaha, that's right. We're hoping to reach Omaha, Nebraska tonight. We'll camp overnight, and then we will head on further down the road. Well, we left Manitoba yesterday morning, February the 1st. Today is February the 2nd. It was minus 15.5 Celsius. Lots of noise over top here. We are in Council Bluffs, Iowa, Omaha, Nebraska, and it did get below freezing tonight, but we're among the boats at our favorite camping spot, Bass Pro Shop Outdoor World. But how nice that we can make one-day drive in February and we can spend an overnight camouflaged among the boats. Looking forward to a good day of driving today. We're supposed to hit plus 25 temperatures by the time we arrive in Oklahoma City, so it should be a good day of driving. Yikes.
This is not a snowstorm. This is fog coming.
Early morning fog.
Early morning fog coming out of Omaha and heading towards Oklahoma City is where we're going to...
Oklahoma City.
Yeah, Oklahoma City is our destination-ish. But yeah, this fog is a bit surprising. And we're hoping we're still on the 29. Have to really watch closely of these signs. So there we go. Lift it a little. See a bit more. Beautiful day, really.
And our second night was spent at Bass Pro Shops in Oklahoma City. Now, we were warned ahead of time that there would be a lot of cars racing at nighttime, and sure enough, last night, the cars were out in full force, screeching tires and racing around the parking lot. Apparently, the police do come by and check on them to make sure they're not getting out of hand, so we didn't feel too unsafe, but it was definitely noisy to start off with. At one point, one vehicle actually came in, stopped right beside us, or parked right beside us, and revved his engine a few times. Kind of kept Lorraine awake, but I just slept right through it.
We are in Texas. We just got in. We left 2 days ago from Manitoba. It was minus 15 or minus 16 temperature Celsius.
And today we're hitting what? Plus 20?
Today, well, I think you said it's supposed to be 27 today, right?
Wow, yeah.
Yeah.
In the mid-20s for sure.
So we made stops off in Council Bluffs slash Omaha, Nebraska, Council Bluffs, Iowa, and then we made a stop off at
Oklahoma City.
And today we're heading to Waco, and it's Lorraine's birthday today, so wish her a happy birthday.
Yeah,
It's
there we go.
February the 3rd, and we are hoping to spend some time in Waco at the what's it called, the Marigold Mills or the Marigold Compound. I don't know.
No, Magnolia at the silos. Clearly he has no hot clue where we're going.
Magnolia.
He just knows I'm excited about it.
Yeah, this is Lorraine's birthday present from me. So,
well, we've got a site at a campground on the water, so we're going to be able to, instead of a parking lot, and we choose various amazing parking lots, but we're going to be at a campground with a spot by the lake. So tonight I think it's going to be just enjoying our campsite, and tomorrow we'll head over to Waco.
Our last 2 nights in Council Bluffs and in Oklahoma City were both at Bass Pro Shops, and last night there was a whole lot of car racing going on.
Yeah, that was special. Sunday night, muscle car racing, donuts.
I don't know if they're really muscle cars. It's more of the
just big mufflers.
Yeah,
oh man,
it's the high screaming little noisy cars. It's not the good American muscle cars, but
so anyway, keep on joining us in our adventures.
Yeah, if you have time, please take the time to subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow our channel, and leave us a comment. We love to hear from you, and give us a thumbs up on our videos as well too.
Oh, we made it to Waco, Texas. We're staying at an Army Corps of Engineering camp. I'm looking forward to see what sunset's going to bring. These beautiful live oak trees. I think that's what they're called. They're just structurally magnificent looking trees. Let's look out over the lake. It's plus 25 or plus 26 Celsius today. It's a beautiful day. So I think tonight I'm going to go park myself on the shoreline and see what I can find for sunset photos.
we have come here to Magnolia on a cloudy, middle of the week kind of day, and apparently very empty compared to other days of the year. So Wade and I will slowly walk through and explore, overwhelmed by all this stuff to be able to buy and do. We'll get something for Harriet. You can't take the ball?
No, I don't think so. Hey, thanks for joining us on the start of our journey as we travel through Texas and beyond over the next 3 months. For these first 2 months, we will be in Texas working at a couple of different camps, but during the weekends and days off, we'll be spending time exploring, like this trip in Waco.
We'd also like you to join us in our 3rd month of hanging out here. We're going to be heading west and going to Utah, and we're going to be meeting with good friends, and we're going to be traveling and exploring in that beautiful state. So we'd love for you to join us for that as well. Now remember, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we love it when you leave a comment because it just gives us a chance to connect with you.
And speaking of connecting, it was great meeting Ken and Jeannie. We had a good chance to talk with them for quite a while, and also Dave and Lori. We met both couples at the Waco campground, so a great way to start off for the camping. Now, our next plan is to head over to the Gulf area and spend a couple of days on the beach before we start working. But we know that things can change, so we need to
hold our plans loosely.